Hello and welcome to my room tour and review of the Holiday Inn Glasgow Airport. So the Holiday Inn Glasgow Airport, I've stayed there twice before flights to Florida. It's very convenient. It literally is a 2-minute walk across to the airport. You can go from the hotel to the airport for coffee, to visit the Tesco Express that's in the airport, the news agents, the bar, the food. There's a Starbucks at the airport. You can literally go across, check in for your flight and go back to the hotel if you wanted. It really is very close and convenient. There's not a hotel closer to Glasgow Airport than the Holiday Inn. The rooms are really comfortable, the bed's comfy. There's the normal tea and coffee facilities, and then obviously your shower, toilet and all that stuff. The hotel sometimes does breakfast deals when you book. I've had breakfast there once and it was lovely. To get to the Glasgow Airport, you can get a train to Paisley Gilmer Street, and then there's buses from Paisley Gilmer Street to Glasgow Airport. Now just bear in mind, some train tickets, if you get on the train and say you're going to Glasgow Airport, include your bus transfer, so check that when you're buying your ticket. Certainly from where we live, if we say we're going from the town I live in to Glasgow Airport, your train ticket takes you from there to Glasgow Airport and there's no additional cost to get out to the airport. Alternatively, you can get a taxi. Again, I'm talking about from Paisley Gilmer Street. There are regular buses from Glasgow city centre to Glasgow Airport that run regularly, not 24 hours a day I don't think, but certainly early in the morning till quite late on in the day. You can get runway view rooms. I've had one of them. It's just a little bit more interesting and exciting to get you in holiday spirit. It's just such a convenient hotel to stay at for the airport. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you. Please like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you very much. Goodbye.